With today's video is configuring your domain so that it can be hosted in GCP. So let's get started. So here is my dashboard. uh, Let me just log in. I just created this domain yesterday. So this is over here. So first of all, you need some physical hardware or like a cloud resource to host your website. So for that we are gonna go to uh, compute engine product in GCP, and we are gonna create an instance. For this demo purposes, I'll be using a very small instance, the E2 micro. I'm gonna make sure that it runs in Ubuntu operating system, and in terms of networking, I'll allow all sorts of traffic, and I don't require any VM because it's just like for demo purposes. So let's create this over here. So the instance is getting created. It's going to be yeah. So just let's wait for a moment. Okay, so we have both a public IP and an internal IP. So if we click this over here, you get nothing because you don't have anything. Nobody is hosting. So let's get started and actually deploy something over here. So first of all, let's SSH into that instance, and we're gonna install a server over here. So I have got my instructions over here. You need administrator privileges while running this, and we're gonna install the Apache server over here. So we're gonna install this. It's gonna take like maybe like 5 minutes, so let's wait for some time. Yeah, we'll install this. Okay. Okay. So let's see if if the service is running. If the service is running, if you refresh this, you will get this default page. So our idea is to remove uh, remove this page, and where is it? And then create this. I think vi isn't there, so nano might be there. Okay, nano also isn't there. and I'm gonna just replace this with the static HTML. You can make things much more complicated, but uh, just have it over here. Right now, if we do an enter, you'll get this web page that's hosted in this IP address. So let's get started with creating a zone over here, cloud DNS. So having a cloud DNS is quite easy. So you create a zone over here. Zone name can be Akash, and so my domain over here is akashhararika.online. Okay, my DNS, and then we just create this DNS. So you need to configure two things over here. You need to add a record set. So it's going to be this is going to be www dot I think whatever you have, it's fine over here. You just need the IP address. What should it point out to? So it should be this address. So you'll put it over here. Just require this IP address. You create this DNS, the AZ, and then there's going to be a CNAME. So CNAME is that when I think when you have this www, it's gonna refer to the canonical name. It's not a routing policy as such. It's just a standard CNAME type configuration. So www okay. So we have this setup. Now let's so we have created the A server, which is like telling this domain maps to this as in like the IP address, and the canonical name as in like if people do Akash Vishal Hazarika dot something, it's gonna map to www dot that address. So here, so all think of it like a key value store where the information on which domain hosts which IP address is stored in all these domain servers. So the information is present over here. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna go to the domain register. It could be GoDaddy, it could be Namecheap, and you put all the information over here. So we have put the first one, the second one, the third one, okay, and then we save it. It's gonna take 48 hours for it to get affected. So let's wait 2 more days and see how it goes. All right, let's pause this video.